Well, here we are at the Orletta. Nila's grabbing the rope. We were gonna run the truss today, but kind of the consensus of the group was we're all a little low energy and a little late in the day to go run a 2.5 hour truss run. So we're gonna grab these 2 miles of class 4 fun and see where it goes from there. Feel today?
Feeling good.
Yeah.
Ready to die.
We gotta get right. Let's go. That's a new line. Oh, you gotta start. Ah! You wanna try? Back it up.